Hi, I'm Michael from Podio, and I'm going to walk you through how you can create views and reports in your apps to get the perfect overview of your projects. First, here's how you can create a simple view. For this example, I'll use this deliverables app. It's used to structure all the work for this team's projects. Right now, I'm seeing all the deliverable items in this app, but I'll set up a view that will show my team the progress of the deliverables for just one project, and enable them to see a view of just the deliverables they're in charge of. For this purpose, I'm going to choose a new app layout, and I can do this by clicking the layout switcher here. Currently, I'm in badge layout, but I'd like to get a visual overview of the status of each deliverable. So I'm going to switch this to card layout, like this. I've still got a lot of deliverables here for a few ongoing projects. So to get a clearer view of the deliverables for one specific project, I'll use a filter. I click the funnel icon here to get the filtering options. And then I'll use the related project field, which is an app relationship field, and pick the one project that I'm interested in. In this case, it's called Crafty App Launch. I could make this filter even more specific if I liked, for example, based on the deliverables with a due date in a certain time period. But for now, this will do. So now you can see I'm only seeing the deliverables that belong to one project, and they're organized by cards. I can save this combination of layout and filter as a view by clicking Save and then giving it a name. I can also decide if I want this view to be private or visible to my team. In this case, I'm going to make it shared with my team, and to make it even more useful, I'll create a split view by owner. By doing this, once I've saved the view, my team members can now just simply click their name and instantly they'll get a view of all the deliverables they're the owners of. If I want to change something about this view, I hover over its name and then click the wrench icon. I can go back to seeing all the deliverables in the app by clicking on All Deliverables. Now I'll show you how to make a report using calculations. For this example, I'm going to create a report that will show the number of hours each of my team members have spent on the deliverables for a particular project. Again, I'll filter the deliverables by clicking the funnel icon and choose to see only the deliverables from one project. I then click the plus button next to reports and I'll get the calculation options. In this simple example, I want to calculate how much time we've spent on this project. To do this, I select Calculate, choose the field from the app where the data lives, in this case the time spent field, and then split this total by the owners of the deliverables. When I click Next, I can give the report a title, enter the unit that we want to display, in this case hours, and select whether the report should be shown. I'm going to save it now on the reports page of this app. So I click Save, and here it is. All of my team can access it here, and they can do it at any time by simply clicking Reports. This was just a couple of examples of what you can do with views and reports. Try it out for yourself, and if you have any questions, feel free to write to us in the Help Centre at help.podio.com. Thanks for watching.